Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to introduce you to VR Cuisine game as a game-based learning for special needs students in Selayang Community College. VR Cuisine game is a three-dimensional artificial environment simulation gaming software for students with special needs. This game will enhance students' interest and ability in their learning process. At the beginning, the user will be given some information about VR Cuisine. Then, they will proceed to the next step, which is entering the kitchen. There will be a list of rules before entering. After then, will appear a screen showing an illustration of an omelette and vegetable cutting menu right beside it. Users are required to choose between these two menus. For the omelette option, user will be given tools and a recipe. By clicking the Start button, the cooking steps will start. In this game, the users will be guided throughout the process until the end. For the vegetable cutting option, they will be given a list of tools to use. User will need to follow the given instruction and perform 6 basic vegetable cutting skills to complete the task. In the hope that this application will bring better good for the special needs out there, because we believe that every student deserves a quality education, no matter in what condition they are.
Sarah, mau ajar juga ke tak payah? Boleh buat sendirilah. Sarah, ajar. Maksudnya dia kata dia boleh buat sendirilah lepas dia main game tu. Walaupun tu Sarah tak ajar, tapi dia kata dia boleh ikut cara game tu untuk buat resipi yang kita belajar tadi.
Hai, saya Suaya Binti Mampin. Saya berterima kasih dan puji dengan segala usaha yang dibuat oleh Pengusaha Polis Komuniti Selayang bagi membantu memudahkan pembelajaran kepada anak ujian saya.
Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Saya Chef Ridwan, kerja di salah satu hotel terkemuka di Kuala. Saya rasakan permainan VR Cuisine ini amat bagus bagi mereka yang tidak ada basic dalam Western Cuisine. Jadi saya rasa VR Cuisine adalah terbaik.